welcome to Basira's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos. Wofan nakayo sanunku dazwa maraba maraba maraba. Happy New Year. Today we're making black-eyed peas Ghana style. So I have 2 cups of beans. I have some zomi, that's red palm oil, and coconut oil. We're making gobe with a twist. I have plantain, I have 1 large red onion, and 2 habanero peppers. So first I'll wash the beans and boil it till it becomes very soft. And I like mine on the mushy side, so I'll boil it till it's very, very soft. Like this. And you can make it thicker if you want, but this is the consistency I like. Okay, so I used half of the onion, and as usual the ingredients and the quantity will be in the description box below. So the boiled beans goes with fried ripe plantain. So that's what I'm doing. Peel and cut it into whatever shape you want. You can use the cutting board. I'm used to doing this without a cutting board, so just be careful when you're cutting. With the onions and peppers, I will make a special sauce with coconut oil. So after I fried my plantain, I'm now making the special sauce. That's coconut oil. It's frozen. It's cold here. I fry the onions and the peppers together. The streets go bestseller in my neighborhood will ask you also more for alo zomi. So I'm making the 4. The 4 is the coconut oil with the onions and the peppers. It just reminded me of my childhood. So that's it. It's protein packed. I serve it with the palm oil and then the 4. So one is the red, and the one is with the coconut oil with the crispy onions and pepper. I also added 2 tablespoons of gari. That's a little bit of carbohydrates. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my videos and stay safe. Bye.